Start by peeling and roughly chopping up a white onion. Next, trim 2 sticks of celery and roughly divide those up. Trim, peel and roughly chop 2 carrots. Then take our Italian organic extra virgin olive oil and drizzle around a tablespoon in a shallow pan on a medium heat. Add in the onion, celery, carrot and 3 whole cloves of peeled garlic and fry everything off for a couple of minutes. Next, pour in 1.5 litres of vegetable stock and add in 2 bay leaves and 3 sprigs of fresh thyme. Bring to a gentle simmer, then cover and leave to cook for 30 minutes on a low to medium heat. After 30 minutes, remove the bay leaves and thyme sprigs. Then, using a slotted spoon, remove all of the vegetables and place in a blender along with 1 cup of the stock. Blend the vegetables into a smooth and creamy puree, then pour back into the pan with the remaining stock. Gently heat the soup back through, then take a jar of our organic chickpeas. These alone pack in a whole plant point. Drain off the water and add in the chickpeas. Season well with sea salt and black pepper, squeeze in the juice of half a lemon and add in a small handful of fresh chopped parsley. Stir through and leave on a low heat. Meanwhile, cook the pastina pasta until al dente. Serve the pastina up in bowls and pour the soup over the top. Garnish with a drizzle of olive oil, more fresh parsley and a crack of black pepper. We've given this classic Italian pastina soup a twist with the addition of our organic chickpeas for plant protein and fibre. It's a plant-rich dish that's packed full of flavour and goodness to warm the soul. Be sure to save this recipe, this one you'll want to try.